Today I'm going to show how to change or check your spark plugs in a 2007 Honda Accord 2.4
The only tool
liter.
you'll need to start with would be a 10 millimeter, which you want to undo these four nuts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just have to have this to put the nuts in. They're like nut bolts. Alright, now as you undo these, they will attempt to pop up because I think they're under a little bit of pressure. That one comes out. Like that. I think you should do them pretty quick. This is only plastic, and I think plastic has a habit to break when it comes to age. Well, plastic does have a habit to break. That takes care of that. Then you see these 1, 2, 3, 4 coil packs. Alright, these two stay in here. They won't come out. They probably got, they got grommets on them. The other ones don't. Just put that to the side. Then, oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Okay. Those two that, okay, that's how it is. These two also hold the coil packs in. Because if you look here, there's no bolt. That's what's holding the coil pack in. Let me get a screwdriver. Here is a screwdriver. Gently. I don't want to break nothing. Do more of a twist than a pry. Like twist it. Popped right up. Alright, so this whole thing comes out. Yeah. And just undo the clip. Which way? Yeah. Pop it up. There's your boot. Inspect your boot. I don't see nothing abnormal. Assuming there are 5/8. Get your 5/8 spark plug and 3/8 ratchet. And probably an extension. We'll just see if they're 5/8 first. Yeah, that's too short of an extension too. Get the footer. Alright. I'll try that. There we go. And just knock her loose. I'm not going to bore you. Okay, now I got this little spark plug holder tool. Pull the spark plug out. Doesn't look bad at all, actually. Pretty sure these are original ones. They're NGKs, Iridium. They don't need replaced, they're good. So, take your little spark plug tool, installer tool. I'll leave a link to these in the description. Start it rather. Remove your tool. Oops, sorry. And get your extension. Start it back up. gonna get a smaller ratchet to make it easier to run these back in. The big one's great for knocking stuff loose, but the little one for this is perfect. And we just go to town. There we go. She's tight. That's the end of this video. That's all there is to it.